Right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Claude AI completely free, step by step, even if you've never used any AI tool before. By the end of this video, you'll know how to write better prompts, use Claude for free, and even use Claude Code inside VS Code. All explained simply, no tech jargon. I've tested Claude every single day for months. I'll give you only what actually works, skip the confusing parts, and get you using it in the next 10 minutes. Most people waste hours on AI because nobody showed them the basics. That ends today. Let's start. Here's the honest problem. You go to Claude AI, you open it up, and you just stare at that blank text box. You don't know what to type, you don't know what it can do, and nothing you try seems to get a useful answer. Or maybe you tried to ask it something and got a really long, complicated response that didn't actually help you. Or you hit the free limit and got frustrated. That's super common, and it's not your fault. The reason this happens is simple. Claude is incredibly powerful, but nobody gives you a proper starting point. Once you know 3 things, how to set it up, how to prompt it right, and how to stay in the free tier, everything clicks. That's exactly what I'm covering today. Okay, step 1, get your free account. Open your browser and go to Claude.ai. You'll see this homepage, click Start for free. And that's it. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or email. Now here's something important. Claude has 3 plan levels: free, pro, and a team plan. The free plan is for Professional, which is in Claude, which is you get to access their most advanced model, but you don't need it to follow this tutorial. Once you're in, you'll land on this screen. This is your main chat. You see that text box at the bottom? That's where you type up in so fat in charts. And up top is where you can see your past conversations. Here's the number one thing that separates people who love Claude from people who get frustrated: your prompt. The way you write your question completely changes the answer you get. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Okay, watch this. I'm going to type a bad prompt first. Write something about marketing. See, it's vague and generic. Now a clear, specific prompt. Write a 150-word generations if night and day difference. Here's the simple formula I use every time. Role. First, give Claude a role. Act a product description for my coffee shop. Then a format. Click down under 100 words, bullet points. That's it. Try it right now. I'll wait. Let's talk about the free plan honestly. Yes, there is a daily message limit on the free tier. In my testing, it's roughly 20 quality messages per day. That's actually plenty if you're smart about it. Here are my top 3 tips to get the most out of Claude for free. Tip 1, combine your questions into one detailed prompt. Tip 2, use projects to save, hit the lection, just come back later. Here's a secret. Get unlimited Claude for free through Poe or the API with developer credits. Links below. For most, Claude.ai's free tier is enough. Now let's talk about Claude Code. This is where it gets seriously impressive. Claude Code is Anthropic's official tool that lets Claude write, and if you can work her right now, this you'll change how you code forever. Here's how to set it up in under 2 minutes. Open VS Code. Go to the extensions panel, that's the /forward, search Claude. Enter the install by Anthropic's. Enter your terminal. Once it's installed, here's how you use it. Open a project folder in VS Code. Press Ctrl+P, type Claude, and you'll see the command palette. Or you can open in the online start a session and watch Claude write the code. If you use Cursor AI, Claude is built right in. Press Ctrl+K or Ctrl+Sol and you're chatting with Claude. It's my favorite way to code with AI. I'll show you a quick screen tour. I'll link both tools below. Bonus tip, artifacts. When you ask Claude to create something, it puts it in a set panel you can edit. Watch, I'll ask Claude to build a bakery landing page. See, the artifact panel opens with the preview. Instant deliverables. Bonus tip, projects. This is Claude's memory feature. Create a project, add background info, and Claude remembers it. No more re-explaining. Watch, I create ways to YouTube channel, add instructions, and start a new cell. Bonus tip, Claude has a free mobile app for iPhone and Android. You can use it on the go and even take a photo for Claude to analyze. Download it from the App Store or Google Play. And 2 more quick ones. Claude has voice mode. You can talk to it like a phone call, hands, and you can upload files, TBFIs and finesse, and this alone makes it more useful than most tools out there. Okay, let's recap. Step 1, create your free Claude account. Step 2, write prompts that work using role, task, and format. Great job. You're now ready to use Claude. Step 3, you know how to get the most out of the free tier without needing to pay. Step 4, you know how to set up Claude Code and VS Code for coding. And step 5, you've got the bonus tools. You're not a beginner anymore. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I post simple AI tutorials every week, and I'll link free resources below. See you in the next one.